Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're walking through how to log into your Amazon Prime Video account. Super simple. Okay, so first things first, open up the Prime Video app on your phone or just head over to primevideo.com in your browser. You'll see two options right on the screen. Create account or sign in if you're already a customer. Now, your Prime Video login is the same as your Amazon account. So just enter your email address or your phone number, hit continue, then type in your password. If you've forgotten it, don't worry. Just tap forgot password and follow the steps to reset it. Once you're in, you'll see your profiles. You can choose an existing one or tap new to make another, maybe one for the kids or just for your shows. Each profile keeps its own recommendations, which is super convenient. After that, you'll land right on your Prime Video homepage where you can browse, stream, or pick up where you left off. Pretty easy, right? And that's it. That's how you log into your Amazon Prime Video account. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and yeah, tell me in the comments what you're currently binge watching on Prime Video. See you in the next one.